Positioning parts in a complex assembly with a lot of variational mates can be difficult if you're just dragging things on the screen. Fortunately, we have something called the mate controller to help us. Let's take a look and see how that works. Insert a mate controller and gather up all the mates that are in your assembly that are valid. So that would be anything with basically a dimension. And you'll see that they're all listed now in the property manager here. I can go to any one of these mates and change its value with a slider and then update and capture that as a position. Let's make another position and make a couple more changes. I'm going to take the arm down a little bit by moving the elbow mate and the angles there to get what I want. And again, I'm just basically changing what I want with sliders or putting in direct numbers here, and then just updating it and saving that as a position. I can call these positions whatever I want. The defaults are going to be position 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to go ahead and capture different locations that I want all these mates to put my assembly so that I can show how this pick and place robot is going to work in its major positions here. So we'll move it all the way over here. You can also unlock these mate controller mates and then just go back on screen, and only those unlocked mates will be active for you to drag around. So that gives you kind of the best of both worlds in working with the positioning and however method you feel comfortable. I'm going to turn this part over as we go, so I'm going to rotate that 180, and again we'll record that as a position. And from this point we can just go ahead and jump to any position to see what we've got so far. So you can see each position is recorded, all the values recorded with the positions are there. And then let's go ahead and also animate that. You can just go ahead and say animate it from place to place, and it'll just do that, keyframe it for me. We'll put a couple more positions in here. I'm going to release the part by opening the jaws up a little bit, and then we'll make a new position here to go back to the beginning. So I'll just recall the original position and record it as an end position. So we'll reuse that. And you can see here that we have the animation timing all set for us. I encourage you to try the mate controller with your own designs.